Hello students, we are going to learn an easy trick for multiplying numbers. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. We know that from multiplication table. But what about 60 times 8? 60 is 6 times 10. So this can be written as 6 times 8 times 10. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 10 is equal to 480. Multiplying by 10 means writing a 0 at the end of the original number. Next example, 6 times 80. 80 means 8 times 10. So this can be written as 6 times 8 times 10. So the final answer will be 6 times 8 is 48. 48 times 10 is 480. 5 times 3 is 15. We know that from multiplication table. What about 5 times 30? 30 means 3 times 10. So this can be written as 5 times 3 times 10. We know 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 10 is 150. Next example, 5 times 300. 5 times 300. So 300 means 3 times 100. So this can be written as 5 times 3 times 100. So final answer will be 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 100 is 1500. Multiplying by 100 means writing 2 zeros at the end of original number. So we write 2 zeros at the end of 15,500. Next example, 6 times 800. 800 means 8 times 100. So this can be written as 6 times 8 times 100. So final answer will be 6 times 8 is 48. 48, and at the end of 48 we are writing 2 zeros because we are multiplying by 100. 4800 is the final answer. Next example, 60 times 20. 60 means 6 times 10. 20 means 2 times 10. So this can be written as 6 times 10 times 2 times 10. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So 6 times 2 times 100. We know 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 100 is equal to 1200. Writing 2 zeros at the end of the original number. 6000 times 20. 6000 times 20. 6000 means 6 times 1000. There are 3 zeros. 20 means 2 times 10. There is 1 zero. So 1000 times 10 is 10,000. 1 and 4 zeros. 12 times 10,000 is equal to 120,000. 120,000 is the final answer.